The campus that we visit every school day is now empty owing to the pandemic. Although the campus is quite quiet, we can still feel that the spring has arrived. Spring symbolizes the new beginning. Let us take this opportunity to have a virtual tour of the Hendon Garden and to feel the atmosphere of spring, so that we can also fill ourselves with some energy and hope for the future. The Hendon Garden is on the 5th floor. When we walk alongside the corridor, on the right hand side, we can see a giant wall painting, which was renovated a year ago. It's a really nice place where you can take graduation photos. Meanwhile, the Hendon Garden is replanted, which means more planting and activity space are available for us. For example, we plant country borage here. It smells good. And also, here are cauliflowers and some snow pear. Well, although there are not many in number, we can still find some interesting plants. Here is sunflower. So right now, we have seen that there are some plants in different corners of the garden. Last time, we saw our teachers taught students how to make antiseptic cream using country borage. Well, this time, let us introduce two plants, fennel and wild pansy, to you. Wild pansy is the national flower of Iceland and Poland. It's a perennial plant which is native to Northern Europe. Wild pansy grows well in cold and chill environments, of which the proper growth temperature is around 15 to 25 degrees Celsius. Wild pansy blossoms only when it receives adequate sunlight. Italians regard that wild pansies symbolize the meaning of longing, while there are other people who define the meaning of wild pansy as daydreaming. Wild pansy itself is a beautiful ornamental plant. Meanwhile, its flower is also edible, which can be used to decorate dessert. Fennel is a hardy perennial herb that can endure. It can grow up to 2.5 meters in height, and its leaf can be over 40 centimeters. Meanwhile, its fruit size ranges from 4 to 10 centimeters in length and half centimeters in width. Originally from Mediterranean region, fennel is now widely cultivated in every corner of the world, including Northern Europe, the US, Southern Canada, most regions in Asia and Australia. Its stalk, leaf, and seed have similar fragrance and are edible. Fennel seeds are edible. There are many uses of them. They can be used as medicine. Meanwhile, the seeds can also be used for food seasoning. Fennel leaves are also edible. They are green in color and pretty long in length. Fennel leaves have a special taste. When you taste them, you may feel the spiciness and fragrance in your mouth. The strong taste makes fennels attractive to people who like them. Well, now we know that fennel goes well with a lot of food. How about we introduce a simple but delicious fennel recipe to you? Have you tried cooking scrambled eggs with fennel before? If not, we will show you how to make it. To make scrambled egg with fennel, we can follow these steps. As for ingredients, we need to prepare a stock of fennel, 2 eggs, and salt. Firstly, chop the fennel. Then, beat the eggs and place them in a bowl. Whisk the eggs until the yolk and whites are fully mixed. And then, add the chopped fennel and salt into the egg mixture and mix them thoroughly. Now we can start the cooking. First, we heat the pan and pour some sesame oil into it. After the pan and oil are hot enough, we pour the egg mixtures into the pan and cook them over medium-high heat. Flip the egg to fry each side evenly. Once the eggs are fully cooked, we can take them out and place them on a plate. Now we can separate the scrambled egg into different pieces and share this delicious food with your friends and families. That's how to cook this simple but delicious recipe. You may have a try at home. This is the end of the episode, and see you next time. Bye.